The space mining. When we hear this word, it gives the impression of science fiction. But it ain't science fiction. And lot of questions comes in front of us. Is it possible? Are we afford to do this? What about our Earth's resources? And how it save our Earth? Now, let's find out. In the past 400 years, humans consistently developed their technological skills. It resulted in various industrial revolutions. First, second, third, and now we are in the verge of fourth industrial revolution. Nations around the world working to dominate others by their technological power. We achieved this miracle feat in a record miracle time. After all, it happens at the cost of our valuable Earth resources. We exhausted many of our Earth's resources to achieve this success. Newton's third law states that for every action in nature there is an equal and opposite reaction. True to this law, the overconsumption of resources resulted in climate change and global warming. Non-renewable resources are rare and it won't be replaced immediately, as it take almost millions of years to form. Overconsumption of these resources surely leads to the worst and unprecedented consequences. Actually, we are now live in the Anthropocene epoch. Which means it is not our Earth that one existed about 400 years ago. It was completely different. Advancement in science provides opportunity to find the other habitable planet in this universe. And it also to find alternative resources in space objects. The finding of Psyche 16, the asteroid in our solar system, contains many rare metals. NASA plans to send the mission to this asteroid in 2022. It will reach Psyche in 2026. This mission is to study the core part of this asteroid and to find the origin of our solar systems. Now, if we able to mine some of these metal asteroids, it will fulfill our resource needs for many years. So, how is it possible to extract these resources and to transport these things to our Earth? During 1940s and 50s, nobody wouldn't think about reaching the space or moon. Everyone at that time turned down this topic as it was an exaggerated one. But within a decade, we able to send a satellite and the man into the space. And within another decade, mankind reached the moon. Now in this time, this space mining topic could be an exaggerated one. But within the end of this century, we may achieve this feat. Recently, United States government welcomed the world to do research and use the outer space resources. Also, the space travel costs soon come down from the current level. Decade ago, NASA mentioned their space cost was about $50,000 per kilogram. Now, the price mentioned by SpaceX is about $2,000 per kilogram. This cost will further come down in future. And this will provide the new opportunity to do research in the space mining sector. When the first set of mining metals from the space came here, we would have exhausted most of the resources. It won't reverse the change, but it'll stop further degradation. And equip the humans to work for the sustainable development. This space metals will further trigger another industrial revolution, probably 5th or 6th. That industrial revolution trigger the space travel to find the new planets. With that space resources, humans have enough technology to build the spaceship for the interstellar travel. 2. Find the life in this endless universe.